This is a what's in the box and maybe a little bit of a review for the Scythe Legendary box. This is an upgrade for Scythe where you can store all your components in one box for Scythe and all the expansions. So like normal Stonemaier stuff, the quality is really good. I would say it's not any better quality box than I don't think there are other releases. Definitely looks cooler. So if we look inside, it's got the cool Scythe finish on the end. I guess it does have this like double thick box. It really protects things. And then inside it has these smaller boxes, which we'll take one out and look at them. They're all basically the same, but they have some cool art on them. Scythe game components, it basically says, and then you open them up and you can put your game components inside these boxes so that I guess you can organize and take them out. I do find it interesting there's only 3 of them in here, so either I don't think this was manufactured wrong, but either this was manufactured a little bit off, or it was or it's just 3, so you can still put your other stuff in there. It does have this weird insert thing too, which I guess you remove when you put Scythe in. So this is a concluding the review for the Scythe Legendary box. I think it's basically for people that really are into Scythe and want something special for their game. I don't think it's like mass market appeal or anything. If you like this video, take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.